All right, good morning, Tuesday. A bit late in the day here, almost 9 o'clock, but we should be able. So, this is about 6 o'clock. I'll call that the overnight. So, that's yesterday. What do we have here? Steep downtrend. Let's draw this for now. Got that, and we also have this little channel going up. Well, right now it's not done, so I'm not going to put that there, but I do want to denote this steep downtrend right now. So we got one. That's a trap. Wow, that's a nice trap. That's a nice trap that we missed. Yeah, so about that, there's always going to be like a really, really nice place that you look at it, you know it's going to work. I think the most important thing is we got to wait out for those so that we don't rush into a trade. But if you look at that, it's really, really good. So right now we're so far away from the EMA, pretty clear that we have a two. This might be a measure move here, but yes, and I think that this measure move will work mainly because it's taking us down to this bottom channel as well. So we will be looking out for that. This line was from yesterday. Okay, let's take a look and see what we got here. Right now, if it's the right setup to the upside, I'm willing to take it, but I think it got to come closer to the, to some sort of support, which is right here, or the overnight low. Okay, this is a nice little trap right here, but I don't want to take it because if I take it, it got to be right here, and we only have exactly 1 point to the a strong support area. So let's just wait and see what happens. Realistically, if it comes back here and bounce off of this, we can take a long position. Now, it just hit our trap, right? If we were to set up a trap, it would be right here. It would be interesting to see if it would hit. But right now, if we have the right setup, I don't mind going long. We got 1, 2, 3, about 4 points to the upside, 4 points away from the EMA, and we're about at the support of the overnight low. That trap would have worked. Now that I think about it, a measure move and a channel, we should have taken that trap. But again, right? That's why we do this. That's why we practice so that we can get a hang of this. But by the time it gets down here, notice it's approaching this channel and it's approaching the short channel on the bottom. So there's a lot to like about what's coming here to go to the upside. What's the thing?
Order submitted.
Okay, so I'm taking this here.
Target.
So we just got it. Want to be aggressive. Do want to keep this 1 point.
Stop filled.
Okay, so we have a second entry short coming here. Again, we're back up to the top of this channel. Okay, so one tick up. So right now, if it comes down, it will be a trap. So we're gonna sell
Order
right here.
submitted.
And let's see. So it's coming up at this channel. This is big resistance for the previous 4 bars here, except for the last bar. We'll see. But if it remains at 1 tick or 2, it comes back down, we're going to hit a measure move. So let's just wait for that. I'm gonna pause. I'll show you guys what the result looks like. And again, like I said, if it is a trap, it will move really fast. And this is something that, hey, if it is a trap, so we got double top, so this one here coming, so it's almost like a triple top, right? This is something that I'm willing to put 2 trades in if it does come down, but looks like it's not a trap because it got its scalp, right? It's about to get its scalp. One more tick will have the scalp. So it's still good here until it hits the scalp. So it looked like it did get its scalp, so we're going to cancel this one.
Order canceled.
That's why it's important to don't assume that it's going to trap's coming and just come in, right? So what we got to do, we have to wait for that leg to form. So here we have it. So come down, a bearish bar, one tick over, and then bearish came down. I wish it came and touched the EMA a little more, but I think this is good. Clear 2 leg.
Target filled.
There you go. And let's capitalize on this. The measure move is down here, so I'll put it somewhere right here. And we're just going to leave it like that and see if it hits. So touching almost to the bottom. Actually,
Stop filled.
ugh. I was going to move it back to just break even and see if we get a chance to hit that, but it's okay. 1 point on everything. Look at that. We're like 3 seconds away from getting a good runner. I literally was going to move it back. If we did, we would have been able to at least get it at additional 2.5 or so. But we came down here again. This channel is now in play. We got to our measure moved. This right here, is it bearish? I think it's bullish enough. I don't know. I don't want to go into this one right now. It did touch that channel. That channel has been holding pretty good for us, so I don't want to doubt it. But right there. So right now, I think if it comes down again, I would ride it to the upside. Okay, so just like we said, basically what's happening now is we got a double bottom. Right now it's time to go up. We double
Order
test
submitted.
this channel already. So if there's a bullish candle, we can ride it up, and it's so far away from the EMA. There's a lot to like here. Good support on this descending channel. Oh, we'll see. We'll see. See if it's a pin bar. There you go.
Order filled.
I'm going for this trap.
Order filled.
Okay, so look like I just got fill. One tick up. See what this text says. I'm surprised it didn't go all the way, because sure that would take some trader with us, but
Stop filled.
Oh, bummer. That was a bad call. See, we're riding tight against this channel. That took away all our winnings on the last 3 trade. That was on me. Yeah, that previous trade, that was $150 risk per contract, so we lost $450 on that one. Okay, so one tick, but this is the first entry short, so we're not gonna do anything there. Yeah, that previous trade, I don't know. I saw this trap right here. I saw one earlier that I missed, and then oh, this one. I saw this one. I said, hey, let's take the next one, but the next one didn't work like it should. So, and then should think about the fact that, hey, you know what? We've been riding this trend channel, keep on bouncing against it. Um, but we are bottoming out because it's going sideways now. That was a bad trade. That was on me. Was trying to put an order in right here, but couldn't do it fast enough. And I'm not going to do it right now because it's already pulled back. If anything, right now it would be a short trade. I retrue the trend channel here, so we got a bigger swing. So now it's this one. Don't know when this uptrend's gonna. I don't see a lot of consolidation right here. Um, this is like a steady downtrend, not much of a consolidation, but we'll take a look and see what's going on here. Yeah, so this tick here, it went down first and then went back up, so that's one leg. Wait, this one also break up. Oh, is this a trap already? I didn't pay attention to this, but let's take a look at it closer. Yeah, so this is a trap. Bummer. One up, one down. That's the second entry right there. And then bam, go straight up from here. It actually got about a point and a half or so. I just don't have any point of reference for this one, so I'm not going to take it. It is a, well, yeah, we got some clutter second entries here, but yeah, I'm going to leave this one alone. Okay, I'm going to take this short trade here. Second entry, looks like we keep on
Order
rejecting
filled.
in this area here. In this trend channel, it's approaching that, and then it got a double top, so just need 1 point down to this level. Just one more. 2 more ticks. There you go. Keeping it right here.
Stop filled.
Yeah, I don't think it's going to get to where we want it. It might start going back up now. Okay, so got something back. Okay, looks very similar to the last play. Let's see if we can do it again.
Order submitted.
Small risk. It's almost done, so let's wait for it. I'm just gonna put it be, even though this is a bullish bar, if it crosses here before it closes, it's gonna become bearish. So, and then as soon as it completes, I can drag it up here. But right now, the risk looks really good, less than one. I really want it to be red when it closed though. At Doji, that's fine too. Right at the top. It's only a one point risk. Well, 1.75. You can't get any better than that. Normally I don't go in dojis, right? But double top, keep on repeating here around this area. It rejected around this area, rejected. So, and it's far away from the EMA enough for us to like it. And then you got this resistance point up here as well. All right, sorry about that. I had a phone call coming in, so can't really record. But we took this trade, succeeded. We went here and it's the same thing, the same pattern. I think we just broke out the pattern because of this here, but went in, placed my order right here. Was thinking about this red line as a good support, but you know what? It's been working. It's likely to repeat itself, and we were able to even get almost 2 point scalp out of that. Okay, so right now we went over this overnight low here, right? Came back down to retest it. It got rejected right there, but came over, retest. Probably will give us a signal whether or not it's going to make higher high here after this. But it's been great. Unfortunately, we took that trap. Um, well, we took a bad trap. We got trapped. Um, but it's been great since. Man, look at that nice run. It's really good, except for we just don't have any entries to go in on it. So, except for this one right there. Yeah, that should be a trap. But yeah, I guess I didn't see that one. If I saw it, I would have taken it because I know that we went over, we retest, and then if we test it again, chances are we're going to succeed. And this right here sets up nicely for that trap. So, um, oh well, let's see. Let's see what we got here though. Hasn't been tested yet, so I want to see it tested at least again. Right now, I really don't know what that is. Here's a short trap. First entry, second entry right there, right at the EMA. Want a steep uptrend, far away from this. I'm gonna take it.
Order submitted.
If it's not a trap, I'm still gonna play the upside. Recheck at EMA, recheck at EMA, and just look for a bearish candle. Move my orders down. This probably will be the last trade that I will be taking today. We did pretty good. I'm still bummed out about that short that we took, that trap that we took and fell. Otherwise, we would have been pretty much $1,000 today, doing just 3 contracts. But like again, if this trap is truly a trap, we would see a lot of people scrambling, and their stop loss should be right there, right? Because it's $150 risk. It would be crazy if they have a bigger risk than that buy. I'm debating if this is a bullish bar. It's about one. Yeah, it's pretty bullish. So let's do this. Let's put it right there. Okay, we just got filled. And basically it touches this level here. That's why I was debating if I should do it, go over. But as soon as it goes over a tick or two, should be a pretty fast moving. There you go. It should just shoot up now. We do have short trader right here. There you go. Keep going. It's taking a lot longer than it should be. Hmm. I'm leaving my stop loss at just 2. Don't want to give up because it is pretty big. It's $150, so 450. Can't believe this trap is not working. There you go. One more. I was hoping that I just run straight up here. It's just like playing with our emotion here.
Target filled.
Oh, finally. See how fast that was? It was really fast going straight up, but it took a while to get there. I guess I'm gonna leave it right here. So yeah, this is about the right level. Might even make it all the way up here. Oh, look at this. I'm gonna leave this right here, okay? Right here. And we're just gonna wait. It's either we break even on that or we get a really good runner. I'm hoping this is another possible traps right here to get people to the short side so that it can shoot up to where our target is. I put it right here because our measure move said it would go up here, and this is our top channel, so most likely we'll get to this level first. That'll be a great runner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7-point runner, if anything. We just need to give it time to get up there. It's getting close. It's getting interesting, so I will leave this one here. I will leave the recorder on so that we can see it, see how it turns out. But right now, I don't mind capturing this level here, but you know what? Let's just leave it. Let's just leave it. We're doing so good anyway. So right now, do we want to leave it here or we want to bring it to the measure move? But I do think that's going to get rechecked at this level at least once here. I'll leave it here. I'll leave it here. It's getting pretty close. If I were to if I were to bring this up, we would have gotten kicked out already. We haven't had this good of a runner in a long time, but we're risking losing it back. Let this one be Let this one be a trap. If it's another trap like this, it will get to where we want it to. Okay, I'm gonna pause the recorder again. It's pulling back. I'm hoping it creates a leg here and comes back and goes this way. Okay, it's probably time to start thinking about taking some profit. So it's this right here. I'm gonna move this up even a little farther now. We already missed the measure move, but now I'm just going off of the channel. So it will come back up around this area. But once we have a leg, it comes back. I'm gonna start drilling this thing to capture some profit. Okay, so we went all the way back here. Hopefully this is a trap to get us back to where, at least at this level. But hey, we still had a pretty great day. So um, here's the first entry. We are approaching the second entry, if anything, but our stop loss is way down here, right? So it's protected by the EMA. But hey, if we get out, we still ended the day with over 500 bucks, so it's not bad at all. There's a trap right here to be had right now, so it went down. So first entry, second entry short. You know what? I am going to do this.
Order submitted.
If we lose this, I'll cancel this order as well. But right now, let's see if we can take this trap. All right, so it looks like we got kicked out. Ended the day with 620 after losing that horrible short trap. But let's see. It's okay. So we actually did 8 trades today with 7 good. 7 of them made money. So let's take a look at this. 112, 8, 7. We net 725, 631. Not sure what's going on with the math there, but 8, 725. Somehow I have 93, but this is 104. Something's not right, but let's follow this thing. Let's override it, say that. Okay, it's more than what it should be. I'm not sure why. Okay, almost 80% there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.